All elements have an associated level when they're placed. If I'm working in a plan view, the associated level is established from the view I'm working in. I want to add some walls to my project, and I want them to start from the foundation level. So I'll open this view by double-clicking it in the project browser. Now, I select the Wall tool to begin placing walls. With the Wall tool selected, I can change the type of wall being placed using the Type selector on the Properties palette. A retaining wall type is selected. The height of the wall is specified in the options bar. If a level datum in the project is used for the top of the wall, it will be constrained to that level. In this case, the entry level is selected for the top constraint of the walls. The height of a wall can also be set to unconnected, and the wall height is explicitly set. The wall location line is also set in the options bar. This setting establishes where the wall will be positioned in relation to the click points as the wall is placed. The interior finish face will be used for these walls. The chain option allows me to draw connected walls with each mouse click. The points 1 through 4 are clicked in order to place the retaining walls. With the first retaining walls placed, the top constraint is changed to be the lower level. A new series of walls is placed by clicking from points A to F. Before clicking at point B, the space bar is used to flip the wall positioning so it will stay in line with the adjacent wall. A 3D view of the project can be created to see the walls that were placed in 3D. The walls on the left side of the model are higher because the top constraint was set to the 02 entry level datum, and the other walls had a top constraint of the 01 lower level. The walls on the upper portion of the building are a different type, but they do follow the same shape of the walls below. Rather than redraw all of the walls that were just drawn can be selected using a window selection and then copied to the clipboard. The walls can now be pasted to another level in the project. The Paste Aligned to Selected Levels tool is used and the entry level is selected. With the pasted walls still selected, use the Property palette to change the type. A generic wall will be used for now. This can still be changed later in the project, but for now a generic wall close to the correct size of the finished wall can be used until the details are known. The top constraint of these walls is assigned to the roof level. With multiple objects selected, the changes made in the Properties palette are applied to everything that is selected. Pressing the Escape button on the keyboard deselects everything. Now the walls along the right side of the model are selected. Elements can be added to a selection by pressing and holding the Control button on the keyboard while selecting with the mouse. For these walls, the base constraint will be changed to the 01 lower level, and they will extend down to meet the retaining wall below. To create interior walls, the lower level floor plan is opened. The wall command is started, and the wall type is selected from the Properties palette. The height is set to go up to the next level, and the chain option is unchecked. Note, the location line of the wall is also set to be the wall center line. The walls are placed using temporary dimensions to help with positioning. To create an opening for the hallway, the first wall is split where the opening needs to be. The Split tool creates two walls rather than one at this point. Now the Trim tool is used, selecting the portions of the walls which are to be kept, and the hallway opening is cleaned up. Double-clicking the 02 entry-level floor plan in the project browser opens the view to add interior walls to the upper floor. The walls from the first level can be seen in this view because the view has the lower floor plan set as an underlay. You can use underlays of any level in the current view to help lay out the current floor plan. The wall from the first level is selected, and using the right-click menu, the Create Similar command is used. This starts the wall tool using the same wall type and instance parameters as the selected wall. The walls for this floor plan are drawn. A 3D view of the model is opened with the command from the Quick Access toolbar, and the walls of the model can be seen in the 3D configuration.